We are now starting Hasbar 3:1, taking place in Masechta Brachos, Daf Yud Gimel Amud Aleph. And before we begin, we want to look at the first paragraph of Shema. And we're going to have a machloket between two Tanaim, Rabbi Eliezer and Rabbi Akiva. Which of these psukim require kavanah when we recite the paragraph of Shema? You will see that the blue will represent Rabbi Eliezer and the red will represent Rabbi Akiva. Rabbi Eliezer is going to tell us that verses 1, 2, and 3 only require kavanah based on the word ha'ileh. And Rabbi Akiva will tell us that all 6 of these verses require kavanah based on the words Asher Anochi Mitzavcha Hayom. Let's look in the Gemara and let's see how this unfolds. Tanu Rabbanon, our rabbis teach us. Tanu Rabbanon usually means that the Gemara is introducing a Braita, which is the same thing like a Mishnah. The Braita teaches us, Vahayu, the word Vahayu, teaches us, Shalo Yikor L'Mafreya, that you may not recite the verses of the Shema out of order, or even the words out of order. L'Mafreya means backwards or reverse order. One has to recite the words of the Shema the way or in the order that it is written in the Torah in order to get the proper mitzvah of reciting the Shema. You must say it kiseder, the way it is written in the Torah. Good, that's what we learned from the word Vahayu. And now we continue. Hadavarim alavavecha, these words that you shall place on your heart, Yochol tehei kol haparsha tzricha kavana, we would think that we have to have the whole parsha of the Shema requires kavana. Talmud Lomar, the pasuk also teaches us ha'ila, these ad kan tzricha kavana, only up to the verse that includes the word ha'ila. These are the verses that need kavana. Mikan ve'elach, but the verses following the pasuk of ha'ila, ein tzricha kavana, do not require intent, kavana, in order to fulfill the mitzvah of reciting the Shema. Divrei Rabbi Eliezer. These are the words of Rabbi Eliezer. Rabbi Eliezer has a Masorah teaching that you might think that the word Vahayu Hadavarim, these words, Hadavarim, all of these words of Shema require kavana. But since it also says Ha'ileh, these, it means these, 1, 2, 3, these 3 psukim, al levavecha, you should place on your heart. Levavecha means to have kavana. That's what it means. Rabbi Eliezer says it's only 1, the Shema, V'hafta, 2, V'hayu hadavarim, that require kavana in order to fulfill the mitzvah of Kriyat Shema. And now we continue with our Gemara. Omar le Rabbi Akiva. Rabbi Akiva responds to Rabbi Eliezer and he says, Harehu Omer, since the verse says, and now we're on top of Yud Gimel Amud Beis, Asher Anochi Mitzavcha Hayom Al Levavecha. Rabbi Akiva says to Rabbi Eliezer, but since the verse says, that which I command you, Hayom, today, Mitzavcha Hayom, today, in the present tense, Al Levavecha, you should place these words on your heart. Mikan, from this verse, Ata Lomed, you learn, Shekol HaParsha Kula Tzricha Kavana, that the entire parsha of the Shema requires intent. From the beginning of Shema through the last verse, which ends Uvish Arecha, Rabbi Akiva says, since it says Asher Anochi Mitzavcha Hayom, I am commanding you today, Al Levavecha, on your heart. That means everything within this parsha of Kriyat Shema, Asher Anochi Mitzavcha Hayom, all of this, Ha'ela Al Levavecha, all of this requires Levavecha Kavana in order to fulfill the mitzvah. So Rabbi Eliezer says up till verse 3, including verse 3 for the mitzvah of Shema, to have kavana? And Rabbi Akiva says no. The entire paragraph of the Shema requires kavana. Now, I want us to look at Tosas for a second.